In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently organize and connect tasks within ClickUp using simple steps. Whether you're managing personal projects or team tasks, keeping everything connected and accessible is key. So let's dive right into how you can seamlessly integrate URLs between tasks to enhance your workflow. Firstly, you'll need to open ClickUp. If you haven't logged in yet, just head over to their website, enter your credentials, and you're ready to go. Once you're in, you'll see the ClickUp dashboard, which is your hub for all things project management. It's filled with features, but today we're focusing on the Spaces section. Now navigate over to Spaces, which can be found on the left side of your screen. It's essentially your main navigation area where you can see all your projects. Here, you'll want to select the specific project you're working on. Each space in ClickUp is dedicated to different projects or areas of your work, allowing you to organize tasks effectively. Having your tasks well organized in these spaces can really help in managing what needs to be done without feeling overwhelmed. Once you're in your selected space, you're going to look for the particular task you want to connect. You'll notice 3 little dots next to each task. Click on these dots to open a menu. From this menu, you should see an option to Copy Link. This is a handy feature that enables you to link tasks together, helping not only in tracking related tasks, but in also maintaining an overview of how different parts of your project fit together. After you've copied the link of your task, you'll want to find another task where you need to paste this URL. Click on this second task and look for the More option. Click there, and beneath this section, you will find Connect a URL. It's pretty straightforward from this point. Simply paste the link you copied earlier into this field. This step essentially connects the 2 tasks, enabling seamless navigation and a clearer relationship between different components of your project. And there you go. Once you've pasted that link, you're done. This simple yet powerful technique allows you to interlink tasks, keeping your project organized and easy to manage. By being able to jump from one task to another through connected URLs, you save time and reduce the mental load of remembering where each task is located or how they relate to one another. So that's it for today's guide. Integrating tasks in ClickUp using URLs can significantly streamline your workflow. Implement these steps into your routine, and you'll find your tasks more organized and accessible, making project management smoother than ever. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful for making your ClickUp experience even better.